Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. The Honorable Lecturer, Miss Dina Sylvia Putri, SHMKN, and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join this English presentation. Before I get started, allow me to introduce a legal adage. Absolute sentence via expositor non-indicate. Sebuah dalil sederhana tidak membutuhkan penjelasan lebih lanjut. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation today is about state administration law in the France. Okay, I can read in table of content. 1. Introduction state administrative law. 2. Administrative system in France. 3. Principle of law in French. 4. The function of state administrative law. And 5. Distinctive feature of administrative settings. Okay, next. First, state administrative law. State administrative law is derived from constitutional law and is part of public law. It regulates all action, activities, and decisions undertaken to administer the state. It includes the law on the fundamental of main principle of public administration, its organization, and its judicial operation. It also includes the law of the mean of state administration, local and regional government, civil service administration, financial administration, material administration, state enterprise administration, and the judiciary. France is considered the birthplace of the term and science of state administrative law. State administrative law is considered important in the consciousness of the nation so that in France, since it is considered an administrative regime. In France, state administrative law is known as droit administrative. This term was given by the Guérandeau in his book Institut de droit administratif France. According to the Guérandeau, the object of state administrative law is the regulation that regulates the relationship between the government and the people. Another French legal expert, Trolley, in his book Cours du droit administratif, emphasizes the droit administratif is the legal relationship between the civil government. State administrative law is a set of rules governing the procedure for implementing government and state administration. State administrative law also discusses the right and obligation of the government in carrying out its duties as well as the right and obligation of citizens in interacting with the government. Okay, next. French state administration system. The French state administration system consists of 3 levels, 1 central, 2 regional, and 3 local. The center is the highest level that includes the national government and state institution. Region include administrative areas smaller than the center, such as region and department. The local level includes cities and village. Okay, next, principles law. Some of general principles found in French human rights include 1. The principle of legality. The government must act in accordance with the applicable law. 2. The principle of legal certainty. The law must be clear and understandable to all parties. 3. Principle of proportionality. Government action must be balanced with the objective to be achieved. 4. The principle of equality. All citizens have the same right before the law. 5. The principle of freedom. Citizens have the right to do what is not prohibited by law. Administrative law in France has several important functions in the system of government and public administration. Here, some of the functions of the state administrative law in France. 1. Regulates the manner in which government and public administration are carried out. The state administrative law regulates the manner in which government and public administration are carried out, including the duties, power, and function of the public administration. 2. Maintain legal certainty. State administrative law also serves to maintain legal certainty in the implementation of government and state administration. This is done by establishing clear rules that can be understood by all parties. 3. Protect the right of citizens. The state administrative law also serves to protect the right of citizens in their interaction with the government. This is done by establishing rules that regulate the right and obligation of the government in carrying out its duties, as well as the right and obligation of citizens in interacting with the government. 4. Regulate administrative judicial procedure. The state administrative law also regulates the procedure of administrative justice, including technicalities and trials. This is done to ensure that trial and conducted in a true and fair manner. As such, the French Bill of Rights has a very important function in maintaining legal certainty, protecting the rights of citizens, and regulating the conduct of government and state administration. It also regulates the administration of justice to ensure that it is conducted with due diligence and fairness. The French Bill of Rights has a constitutional foundation to govern and conduct of government and public administration. It also addresses the right and obligation of the government in carrying out its duties, as well as the right and obligation of citizens in interacting with the government. Public administration law in France is characterized by strong administrative regulation and a distinction between administrative jurisdiction and general judicial jurisdiction. Administrative courts in France have a significant role in resolving administrative disputes and overseeing government administrative action. Judicial jurisdiction refers to the authority or power that a judicial body has to decide a case. Judicial jurisdiction includes a judiciary to decide a case. Judicial jurisdiction include 1. The authority to examine, hear, and decide cases that fall under the jurisdiction of the judicial body. 2. The inherent supervision over the performance of duties and the conduct of officials under its jurisdiction so that justice is administered with due diligence and fairness. Administrative jurisdiction refers to the authority possessed by state administrative bodies in carrying out their administrative duties. Administrative jurisdiction include 1. The power to organize the administration of justice, including technical and trial matters. 2. The authority to organize the general administration, such as personnel, finance, and equipment. In the context of courts, administrative jurisdiction is often related to the authority of the administration of justice, while judicial jurisdiction refers to the authority of the court to decide cases under its authority. French state administrative law has a broad influence and impact on the development of state administrative law in various countries, including Indonesia. This development includes a historical aspect, influence and definition of state administrative law that form the basis for the state administrative law system in countries affected by French state administrative law. Finally, this is conclusion. It can be concluded that public administrative law in France regulates the ways of carrying out the duties, right, and obligation of the power of state equipment. This law also binds the state administrative apparatus in exercising its authority to serve citizens with due regard to their interests. In addition, the scope of a public administrative law in France includes laws on the fundamental and general principle of public administration, laws on the organization of the state, as well as laws and the actual implementation of government decisions. Also involves legal subjects such as civil servants, office, and the state. As such, state administrative law in France plays an important role in regulation the duties and obligations of the state administrative apparatus, as well as in protecting in the interests of citizens. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you later.